Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I should apologize. Where did I go wrong, though?
Them that's got shall get, them that's not shall lose. So the Bible